Before you begin, make sure the trunk area is cool to the touch and out of direct sunlight. Use the provided cleaning wipes to thoroughly clean the entire applique area, making sure to get into both corners and underneath the lip. Notice that the top of the applique area has a rounded curve. Starting at the left tail light, align the bottom of your alignment strip to the middle of this curve. This is the most important step, so take your time and do it slowly. Continue aligning the strip all the way to the right tail light. Once placed, take 2 steps back to check that the curve is smooth and consistent. Readjust the strip if necessary. Next, peel back about 1 to 2 inches of the paper backing from the wrap. Align the wrap with the left tail light and against your alignment strip. Make sure to leave about 1.5 millimeters of excess wrap over the edge near the tail light plastic. Use your thumb to press the wrap down against the alignment strip, working your way to the right in 6-inch increments. Keep the material taut as you adhere to prevent creasing. If the wrap seems slightly short as you reach the end, simply peel it back 6 to 12 inches and reapply while pulling it taut. If it is too long, use a scissor to trim off the excess. Remember, make sure to leave 1.5 millimeters of excess on the right side to tuck in later. Use your thumb to press the wrap down along the right bottom edge. Use the included squeegee to gently tuck the excess material into the crevice. Work your way towards the middle. Repeat the same process on the left edge and work your way to the right. Firmly press over the entire wrap one more time to ensure it's fully adhered. To install the Tesla lettering, place an alignment strip inside the top of the applique wrap. This ensures an evenly spaced border. Use a second strip to find the exact center of the wrap by using the Tesla logo as a guide, as shown in the video. This will identify where the center point is on the applique wrap. Peel the decal from its backing and align the middle of the S to your center point. Adhere the left side first, then remove the alignment strip underneath before fully adhering the S. Make sure the top of each letter touches your horizontal alignment strip. Again, it is very important that the entire top of each letter is touching the horizontal alignment strip. Give each letter a firm press before carefully peeling off the transfer tape. And then give them one final press to ensure good adhesion. Carefully remove all the alignment strips from the surface. Congratulations, you're all done!